Hey guys, be honest. Don't you want your shoulders to look so wide and strong that they completely transform your personality? Whether you go to the gym or not, if your shoulders aren't powerful, your body always looks incomplete. But today I'm going to show you a super powerful bodyweight exercise that you can do right at home. One that will grow your front and side delts like a rocket. And that exercise is Pike Push-Ups. And I guarantee if you watch this video till the end, you'll not only learn the correct technique, but also the variations, progressions, and those secret tips that will make your shoulders look wider, sharper, and steel strong in just a few weeks. So stay tuned till the end. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Start in a standard push-up position. Now lift your hips up so that your body forms an inverted V shape. Keep your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Slowly lower your head towards the floor. Try to bring your nose or forehead close to the ground. Now, exhale as you push yourself back up and repeat. Keep your back straight. Don't rush the movement. The slower you go, the more tension your shoulders will feel. Beginners, 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Intermediate, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Advanced, 4 to 5 sets of 15 or more reps. If you're just starting out, keep the range of motion smaller and do fewer reps. If you're intermediate, increase the reps and go deeper with each movement. And if you're advanced, place your feet on a raised surface like a chair or bed and try decline Pike Push-Ups. Another variation is pause reps. Go down, hold for 2 to 3 seconds, and then push back up. This builds even more shoulder strength. Now let's talk about the benefits. Your front and side delts get activated intensely. Shoulders start looking wider and more defined. Push strength and overhead power improve rapidly. And most importantly, this exercise prepares you for handstand push-ups in the future. So guys, that was the complete guide to Pike Push-Ups. One of the best bodyweight exercises to build steel-strong shoulders without dumbbells or machines. Add this to your routine 3 to 4 times a week. Maintain proper form and progress step by step. Stay consistent and the results will come naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.